In this video, I'll show you exactly how to promote affiliate links on Instagram step by step using proven strategies to drive clicks and boost your affiliate marketing sales and grow your income. If you are a beginner or you are looking to level up your affiliate marketing business, this is the only guide you need, and let's get started. And as you can see over here, this is my affiliate account dashboard, and I made $11,495, and I made this commission just in 21 days from the first day of December until the day 21. Okay, let's click on update. And here you go. The numbers are still the same numbers. It's not screenshot. This is my affiliate account dashboard, and it's available here in my balance. I will still get more commissions, and I will be able to withdraw this money in the next month. Anyway, for people who want to start affiliate marketing and start promoting affiliate links on Instagram, step number one is you need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to this website is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to company and click over here on affiliates, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. You guys can check this website like I said, and if you want to join, just click here on join now. And here you go. The sign up process is super easy and simple. As you can see, guys, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country from here and choose your language. Okay. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. For I want to explain this for people who are asking why it's showing zero in your impressions, because when you will sign up to Fiverr affiliates, they are asking you here, do you have a main source of traffic? Do you have a website or not? If you say yes, you need to put your website link here. And if you put your website link here, you will start seeing impressions here. Okay. Anyway, I don't have any website. I'm not using any website. I'm using just free traffic and free tools. So I will share with you everything. And like I said, guys, after you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. So what you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will promote on Instagram. So what you will do, you will go back to your home page, go back to this home page on Fiverr like this. So we will promote our services on Instagram. So we will choose services that can help people to grow their Instagram account. So click here on the search and search for Instagram promotion. Okay. Since we are promoting services on Instagram, we will choose services related to Instagram. Search for Instagram promotion, scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service on Fiverr. What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. How you can choose good sellers? Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, level 2 sellers, and sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commissions. Okay. So let me choose one of those sellers. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. You guys can see this one. This one is pro seller. So I will click on his service like this. Just click on the service of the seller that you want to use. Scroll down, and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page. Guys, this is the proof that this service is working and this business is working. You guys can see 161 orders in queue. Look how many people are paying for this service to grow their Instagram account. Look how many people, 161 order in queue. People keep coming back, meaning that the seller is providing a good service for his customers. Over 4,000 people paid for this service. Over 4,000 reviews. Those people only who leave reviews, because a lot of people they just buy the service and they just leave. Okay, look guys, so which people will buy this service, which people are interested to pay for this service to grow their Instagram accounts? Of course, only people who are using Instagram, people who are scrolling on Instagram, people who has businesses on Instagram, they will be interested to buy this service. You just need to promote it good and to market it good using good marketing so we can earn commissions. Okay, so what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, and payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here and click over here, and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Instagram. So what you will do, you will go first, you will go back to this seller profile page. Okay, and let's check this video of the seller.
Hi, my name is Brian and welcome to our Instagram service on Fiverr. In this gig, we will help you grow your Instagram account, and we will do this by doing organic actions such as following.
You guys can see this seller has a video explaining to people how he can help people to grow their Instagram accounts organically, get a real followers, and increase the engagement of their account. So what you will do, you will double click on the video and you will click here on save video. You need to save this video to your laptop. I'm gonna name it Instagram Boost, for example. Okay, click on save, and here you go, the video will be saved to your laptop. What you will do next, you will go to Google, pay close attention, and search for Canva like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. It's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Canva. Okay, so you just need to click here on video, click on video, and click here on the search and search for Instagram, Reels. Okay, let me show you. We will use Instagram Reels. So here, okay, click over here on Instagram Reel and you will be again to this page. So what you will do next, you will click here on design, okay, and click here on upload. Click on upload file. Okay, click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Fiverr, this one about Instagram promotion. Click on open, and here you go. You guys can see the video will be uploaded to your Canva account. Click on your video, just click on your video and your video will be over here. Let me show you. You guys can see. So what you will do next, let me show you. You will make the video like this. Okay, and click here on the background. Click on background color and choose black color. Okay, and here you go. Click over here on text and click over here. You can click on add sub hidden, or you can scroll down. You have different style of text that you can use. For example, I'm going to use this one. Just click on the text style that you want to use and your text will be over here. You guys can see. Let me show you. We'll put this text here. I will delete this one, it's not good. I'm gonna keep using this one. I will decrease the font size of this text, double click and write this sentence. Check link in my bio. Check link in my bio. Put this sentence Okay, you will put your affiliate link in your Instagram bio. Okay, I will put this like this, duplicate. I will put this sentence here so we can start promoting this Instagram promotion service on Instagram. Okay, so let's check the video. Let me see.
Hi, my name is Brian, and welcome to our Instagram service on Fiverr.
You guys can see. Let me show you. It's super easy. The video will be like this. Okay.
In this gig, we will help you grow your Instagram account, and we will do this by doing.
You see, it's super easy. Okay. People who will watch this reel on Instagram, they will see this. Check link in my bio. You will put your affiliate link in your Instagram bio, and people who want to grow their Instagram account, you have a lot of people. It's working. This service is working 100%. And people who will be interested, they are already on Instagram. So you just need to market and to do good marketing to promote this service on Instagram. So after you finish, click on share and click over here on download, and this Instagram reel will be downloading to your laptop. After you finish, go and open your Instagram account, create a business account, choose a good name for your Instagram business page. Uh, Create good logo and good bio. In your bio, put your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started this business and if you just started and you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option Fiverr step A old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years. I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Just copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same, and go back to Instagram and put your affiliate link in your bio. This is exactly how you can promote affiliate links on Instagram step by step. This is the exact method that I'm using, and that's it. So, and for people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will be happy to help you and share with you my affiliate marketing course step by step. It's including everything: free tools, free method, free strategies, and so much more. How to create content and how to create affiliate websites and so much more. You will get access to all my services that I'm promoting, my profitable services. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.